Welcome to Ordinary Kitchen, friends, and I'm a bit nervous today, so be with me, please. Today we are making shrimp Padthai. For that, first we do boil the rice noodles. And then just wash them with the cold water so it doesn't stick to each other. I took some shrimp, peel it off, and adding some chili and garlic, some pepper, salt, and some oil, and mix them up. Now we are adding some paprika and saute those shrimp. French shrimp cooks very fast, so I would say it might take just 1 or 2 minutes, and then you just put them out and just take it off on side. Now we're adding some more oil in the same pan and adding some garlic and chili. And I'm gonna saute my vegetables. So I'm adding some carrots, some cabbage, some baby corn, spinach, spring onions, some bell pepper, and some bok choy. I actually like to add a lot of vegetable in my Thai food. It's healthy and it really enhances the taste. You just need to saute them, flip them. And now we are making the sauce. So for sauce, I took some peanut butter, some sugar, tamarind sauce, fish sauce, and now I'm adding my soy sauce in the same pan and mix them up. Once you mix them, just mix with all other vegetables nicely so it blends. And now we are adding our rice noodles. And you can mix them and you can see how beautiful color I got it. And it's very tasty. Now I'm adding my shrimp on the top. You can actually mix as well in the same pan. I just did it just for the presentation. And here we go. Our shrimp pad thai is ready, and I hope guys you like my video. Please do subscribe me and support my channel. I'm new and